Smart toilets combine bidet washing, heated seats, auto flushing, and self-cleaning technology into a single unit. And the difference between models is significant. In this video, we cover 5 of the best currently available this year. 1. TOTO WASHLET plus Drake. 2. The TOTO WASHLET plus Drake 2 paired with the S7A seat is the most complete smart toilet system available at a price most homeowners can justify. And it comes from the brand that has sold over 50 million WASHLET units worldwide. The WASHLET Plus design conceals the power cord and water supply connection inside a channel along the back of the bowl. There are no exposed wires or hoses visible from outside the toilet, a detail that matters significantly for a clean bathroom appearance. The S7A seat uses tankless instantaneous water heating, which means warm water for the bidet wash never runs out regardless of how long the wash cycle runs. 5 adjustable temperature settings and 5 pressure settings for both front and rear washing allow each user to find a comfortable combination. A heated seat with adjustable temperature, a warm air dryer with 5 heat settings, an automatic air deodorizer, and a nightlight are all included. The bowl is pre-misted with eWater Plus, electrolyzed water, before each use, which reduces waste adhering to the bowl surface and lowers the frequency of manual cleaning required. The flush rating is 1.28 gallons per flush, WaterSense certified. This is the right choice for homeowners who want a trusted, full-featured smart toilet system with a proven track record. 2. TOTO NEOREST NX2. The TOTO NEOREST NX2 is TOTO's flagship residential smart toilet, a fully integrated one-piece unit where every feature is built directly into the porcelain body with no separate bidet seat and no visible seam between the toilet and the technology. The Actolite system sets the NX2 apart from every other toilet on this list. A UV light activates a photocatalytic zirconium glaze coating inside the bowl after each flush, breaking down organic matter at a molecular level without chemicals. Combined with eWater plus electrolyzed water misting and pre-mist bowl pre-wetting, the bowl maintains a cleaner surface between manual cleaning sessions than any other residential toilet currently available. And the dual flush system operates at 1.0 gallons per flush for a full flush and 0.8 gallons for a partial flush, the lowest flush volumes on this list and among the lowest available for any residential toilet in North America. The auto open and close lid, automatic flush, heated seat, warm water bidet with adjustable settings, a warm air dryer, air deodorizer, and nightlight are all included as integrated features. Bowl height is ADA compliant, and the unit carries a 3-year residential warranty, longer than any other product on this list. This is the right choice for a master bathroom renovation where long-term performance, minimal maintenance, and the highest available cleaning technology are the priorities. 3. EPLO U8 Max. The EPLO U8 Max delivers a fully integrated one-piece smart toilet experience. Built-in tank, auto flush, bidet, a dryer, heated seat, and auto lid at a price that sits well below both TOTO options, while adding one feature neither TOTO model includes, a built-in foam shield dispenser. The foam shield system releases a layer of dense foam into the bowl before use. That foam barrier reduces splashback during use, prevents waste from adhering directly to the porcelain, and helps contain odors inside the bowl rather than releasing them into the bathroom. The result is a cleaner bowl between flushes and less manual scrubbing required over time. A built-in backup battery maintains flushing capability during power outages, a practical feature that most smart toilets at this price point do not include. If the power goes out, the toilet continues to function normally rather than becoming inoperable until power is restored. Yet as the flush system carries a MAP score of 1,000 grams, the maximum independent performance rating, and the bowl height of 17.41 inches meets ADA comfort height standards, CUPC, ETL, and CEC. Certifications confirm the unit meets recognized North American electrical and plumbing safety standards. This is the right pick for homeowners who want a full-featured integrated smart toilet with backup power protection at a mid-range price. 4. Woodbridge B0930S. The Woodbridge B0930S is a fully integrated one-piece smart toilet that includes one practical engineering feature the other floor-mounted models on this list do not. A built-in booster pump that activates automatically when household water pressure drops below the level needed for reliable flushing. In homes where water pressure is inconsistent, older properties, at homes with multiple bathrooms running simultaneously, or properties with well-based water supply, standard toilets can produce weak, incomplete flushes during low-pressure periods. The B0930S detects low pressure conditions and engages the internal pump to compensate, maintaining consistent flush performance regardless of supply pressure at the time of use. The MAP flush score is 1,000 grams, the maximum rating, and the dual flush system operates at 1.6 gallons for a full flush and 1.1 gallons for a partial flush. The foam shield dispenser, auto open and close lid, foot sensor flush, heated seat, bidet wand with warm water, and a moving warm air dryer are all included. The dryer head moves along the seat rather than blowing from a fixed point, which covers a wider drying area per cycle. Certifications include UL 1431, CSAC22, IPC, UPC, and IAPMO-EGS. Woodbridge operates U.S. warehouses in California, New Jersey, and Florida with domestic customer support. This is the right pick for homeowners with known water pressure inconsistencies who want smart toilet features without compromising flush reliability. 5. TOTO WASHLET Plus Drake 2. The TOTO WASHLET Plus Drake 2 with the C5 seat is the most accessible entry point into a genuine TOTO smart toilet system on Amazon, and it retains the core washlet features that make TOTO the most recognized name in this category. The C5 washlet seat includes pre-mist bowl pre-wetting before each use, e-water plus self-cleaning of the wand before and after every wash cycle, front and rear warm water washing with 5 adjustable temperature and pressure settings, a heated seat, and a warm air dryer with 5 heat settings. The concealed connection design hides the power cord and water supply hose along the back of the bowl. The difference between this and the top-ranked S7A bundle comes down to 2 main features. The C5 does not include an auto open and close lid and an automatic air deodorizer. The wash and drying performance is otherwise comparable for daily use. The Drake 2 bowl is WaterSense, certified at 1.28 gallons per flush, and is one of the best reviewed residential toilets on Amazon across all categories. The system carries WaterSense, CalGreen, and CEC certification, and is backed by TOTO's 100+ years of manufacturing experience. For homeowners who want a reliable TOTO system with proven bidet performance at the lowest price the brand offers on Amazon, this is the right starting point. For most homeowners, it's the TOTO WASHLET Plus Drake 2 with the S7A. A-Seat delivers the best balance of features, brand reliability, and long-term support. If budget is the deciding factor, the TOTO C5 bundle gives you the core washlet experience at the lowest TOTO price point on Amazon.